The weather is very hot. This is a sign. This is a sign that yes, indeed, you should seek the love of Allah. وقالوا لا تنفروا في الحر قل نار جهنم أشد حرا لو كانوا يفقهون. They said, do not go out due to the heat is very hot. Allah said to remind them, قل نار جهنم أشد حرا لو كانوا يفقهون. It's a big sign. Because this heat that you are having today without air conditioning is not easy. When you go to your car, the AC is on. Your house, the AC is on. Have you ever thought the day they're going to put you in your grave that you don't have air conditioning? Yes, indeed, you need the love of Allah. Because due to this love, you will not be punished. Brothers, these people, who are they? And what are their characteristics? First, the first people who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not going to punish al-muhsinuna, the good doers, the people who like to do good, they love to do good, and their action is good. Whatever they do is good. When they hear there is good thing going on, they want to be part of it. They want to do it. They want to support those who are doing it. Allah said in the Quran, in Surah Al-Baqarah, وأنفقوا في سبيل الله ولا تلقوا بأيديكم إلى التهلكة وأحسنوا إن الله يحب المحسنين. Allah loves the muhsinun, those who are doing good, the good doers. Allah said He loves them so much. Are you among them? In 5 different places in the Quran, Allah mentioned this. If you go to Surah Ali Imran, الذين ينفقون في السراء والضراء والكاظمين الغيظ والعافين عن الناس والله يحب المحسنين. 2. Surah Ali Imran, فآتاهم الله ثواب الدنيا والآخرة والله يحب المحسنين. He loves them. Surah Al-Ma'idah, فبما نقضهم ميثاقهم لعناهم وجعلنا قلوبهم قاسية يحرفون الكلم عن مواضعه ونسوا حظا مما ذكروا به ولا تزال تطلع على خائنة منهم إلا قليلا منهم فاعف عنهم واصفح إن الله يحب المحسنين.
تكبير.
سورة المائدة ليس على الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جناح فيما طعموا إذا ما اتقوا وآمنوا وعملوا الصالحات ثم اتقوا وآمنوا ثم اتقوا وأحسنوا والله يحب المحسنين. Allah loves them so much. He mentioned them 5 different places in the Quran. Are you among them? Are you doing good? Am I doing good? We need the love of Allah to be safe in this world. Because, can I ask you a question? If Allah loves you, if you are a friend of Allah, who can be against you? Question number 2. Brothers, the only thing that will save you in your grave is who? Allah. And with this love of Allah to you, He will not punish you in your grave. Will this love of Allah to you, the day that Allah will resurrect everybody? Brother, I'm talking about the day of resurrection. Do you believe in that?
Yes.
Yeah, some people don't. You know that? No, some people don't. Brother, some people don't. You know, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He gave us example in the Quran. Listen. قُلْ كُونُوا حِجَارَةً أَوْ حَدِيدًا. Allah said, Ya Muhammad, tell them, become stones or become iron. أَوْ خَلْقًا مِمَّا يَكْبُرُ فِي صُدُورِكُمْ. Or whatever you think of that is so big, Allah said, become that one. Allah said they will ask you, Ya Muhammad, فَسَيَقُولُونَ مَنْ يُعِيدُنَا. Muhammad, we hear all these your sweet talks. Who is going to bring us back after we become those stones and those iron? Allah said, tell them, قُلِ الَّذِي فَطَرَكُمْ أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Tell them, الَّذِي فَطَرَكُمْ أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ. The one who created you from the beginning, he will bring you back. So when he brings us back, my dear brothers, on that day, وَتَرَى النَّاسَ سُكَارَى وَمَا هُمْ بِسُكَارَى وَلَكِنَّ عَذَابَ اللَّهِ شَدِيدٌ. On that day, وَيَوْمَ نُسَيِّرُ الْجِبَالَ فَتَرَى الْأَرْضَ بَارِزَةً وَحَشَرْنَاهُمْ فَلَمْ نُغَادِرْ مِنْهُمْ أَحَدًا وَعُرِضُوا عَلَى رَبِّكَ صَفًّا لَقَدْ جِئْتُمُونَا كَمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ بَلْ زَعَمْتُمْ أَن لَّن نَّجْعَلَ لَكُم مَّوْعِدًا.
Takbir.
On that day, وَوُضِعَ الْكِتَابُ فَتَرَى الْمُجْرِمِينَ مُشْفِقِينَ مِمَّا فِيهِ. On that day, they will put the book of our deeds in front of us, you and I. And you will see the sinner will be terrified. يقول ما هذا الكتاب. What kind of book is this? لا يغادر صغيرة ولا كبيرة إلا أحصاها. What kind of book in front of me today that is not leaving anything behind? All I need is in this book. وَوَجَدُوا مَا عَمِلُوا حَاضِرًا. Allah said they will find what they did present. وَلَا يَظْلِمُ رَبُّكَ أَحَدًا. Allah never wronged anyone. Go to Surah Al-Isra. وَكُلَّ إِنسَانٍ أَلْزَمْنَاهُ طَائِرَهُ فِي عُنُقِهِ وَنُخْرِجُ لَهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ كِتَابًا يَلْقَاهُ مَنشُورًا. اقرأ كتابك.
Takbir.
Allahu Akbar. اقرأ كتابك كفى بنفسك اليوم عليك حسيب. And you know what you find in that book is true. You can never deny. So on that day, the only thing that will help you, brothers, is the love of Allah. So Allah loves those who are doing good. With this good doing, Allah is not going to punish them the day that people are terrified. يوم يفر المرء من أخيه وأمه وأبيه وصاحبته وبنيه لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه. On that day that everybody is running away, you love your wife so much, but on that day she's running away from you. Your mom loves you so much, on that day she's running away from you. Who is going to stay for you? The love of Allah. So seek the love of Allah. Seek the pleasure of Allah. Whatever you do, try to make sure what you are pleasing Allah. With this, Allah will love you and I. Also, amongst the people who Allah loves so much, Al-Muttaqun. Bala من أوفى بعهده واتقى فإن الله يحب المتقين. Surah Ali Imran. If you go to Surah At-Tawbah, إلا الذين عاهدتم من المشركين ثم لم ينقصوكم شيئا ولم يظاهروا عليكم أحدا فأتموا إليهم عهدهم إلى مدتهم إن الله يحب المتقين. Allah loves muttaqun. Surah At-Tawbah. كيف يكون للمشركين عهد عند الله وعند رسوله إلا الذين عاهدتم عند المسجد الحرام فما استقاموا لكم فاستقيموا لهم إن الله يحب المتقين. Allah loves those who guard against evil Muttaqun, are you one of them? What is at-taqwa? Listen to Imam Ali. هو العمل بالتنزيل. هو العمل بالتنزيل. Acting upon the Quran. والقناعة أو الرضا بالقليل. To be content with what Allah gave you. The little that Allah gave you, that you think is little, think about someone who is under you. So always appreciate what Allah gave you. This is the meaning of taqwa by Imam Ali. Imam Ali said, وَالِاسْتِعْدَادُ لِيَوْمِ الرَّحِيلِ, and to prepare yourself towards the day you are going to depart, the day you are going to die, and the day we are coming out of our grave to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. By doing so, brothers, you guard yourself against evil. You know whatever you do, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching you, so you watch your step. Due to that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will love you. And with this taqwa that Allah loves so much, Allah will make things easy for you. Can I ask you a question, brothers? Is there anyone today among us who is not suffering? Everybody is suffering today. Things are hard. Sometimes some of the brothers even find it hard to pay the bills. Find it hard to take care of the family. The brother will work 24 hours. He sleep only 5 hours a day. Brothers, things are hard. But inshallah, with this taqwa, Allah will love you. And Allah will give you exit to all problems. وَمَن يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَل لَّهُ مَخْرَجًا وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ. With the taqwa, that will give you the love of Allah. At the same time, it will give you exit to all your problems. Allah will love you. Allah will love you. And you have exit to all your problems. Brothers, they said my time is up. Ya Allah. I had 5 minutes? Okay, so let me run. Inshallah. So the second people who Allah loves the most is those who guard against evil. Question again, are you among them? Are you among them? If you are, then congratulations. My brothers and sisters in Islam, among those who Allah loves, قُلْ إِن كُنتُمْ تُحِبُّونَ اللَّهَ فَاتَّبِعُونِي يُحْبِبْكُمُ اللَّهُ. Say, Ya Muhammad, if it's true that you love Allah, that they should follow you, Allah will love them. So amongst the things that will give you the love of Allah is following the footsteps of Muhammad. Brothers, he is the only way. He is the only way. Believe me, if you don't follow him, you are not going anywhere. If you don't follow the footsteps of Muhammad, Allah is not going to look at you.